What is up, everyone? So today we're gonna be doing like atmospheric drone type noises that fill in the background, those real like they're not really defined sounds, but really airy and fill in the backgrounds. A lot of deep dubstep kind of has like elements like that, whether it's like a pad that's more defined or just like some background noise that fills in with all the intro drums and the sound effects and cool stuff. You really want it nice and minimal. So I'm going to show you how to quickly set up something in Serum. Right now it is absolutely nothing. Let's see. Let's detune it a bit. So about right there is cool. We're going to go ahead and throw on a filter. Let's get it nice and sharp. So that's cool about right there. And then we'll go ahead and pull a decay. Oh, whoa. The sustain. So something about right there, it will work pretty nicely. So that's pretty much it for the front side. You could go ahead and add noise if you want. But really quiet. And as right here, it kind of sounds cool. You could write with it. So it's cool background noise, but you really need to add the reverb to really fill it out. I always like messing with that, get some cool noises. I also like alternating them. And if you get some drums on it real quick, which again, I don't have any of my samples over here. All empty. So we go to, we're gonna use the drums. We're gonna use packs. And then we're gonna go ahead and get a drum kit. You can get all these on Ableton, so and it really just fills out the background. This video's not so much making a drum loop, but I just kind of want to show you guys when you fill it out. And offset this. So that's basically it. We're just making those drones atmospheric sounds. The drum was just so you guys could get an idea of how it kind of rides behind. But you could also control with this. And what that's going to do is just fill out your sound. Obviously, you would have some main elements on top of this. This wouldn't be like your shining through synth. This is more of something behind everything, filling out the background noise and giving it some space and air to the sound or the song. But that's my tip for you guys with those atmospheric drones. They're pretty easy to set up. And again, from what you do after you set up the airiness to the sound, you could customize it however you want, any notes you want. Uh, was it Alex Rome? He did something like, I want to say it was kind of like this. It might have been even faster, but kind of has a more rhythmic element when you do it faster like that. So again, after you set up the reverb, the filter, you're the layer with some noise, you could pick out an oscillator, and all that together is going to add up to a nice, crazy, airy sound. And this is just personal preference. You could have it all the way up. So without it, it fills it out real nice and stuff. Sorry for the crackling. Again, I'm still testing out my audio settings and what my new desktop's capable of. And I do have it a little low on the sample rate for recording and stuff. So I just need to up it, and that crackle will be gone in the next video. The next video, we're actually going to be doing song structuring. Just some basic song structures that I hear from some deep dubstep songs. They're pretty short intros sometimes, 8 bars, sometimes 16 bars. If you really want to have a nice musical journey, 32 bars. But for the most part, it's pretty short intros and a lot of drops, a lot of minimal progressions. And you just want to think like every 8 bars, or maybe even 4 bars, if you're going to have a really repetitive style drop, you're going to want to add in some alternate changes and just minor little sound effects and crazy stuff to keep it spicy. But we'll go into that in the next video where we cover some song structures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Peace.
And it goes like